Hi guys, Connor at Lancaster Automart, just next to our big brother Lancaster Volkswagen up in Morecambe. I've got this truly stunning Audi Q2. It looks like an RS. It is unbelievably nice. It's the 1.4 TFSI CoD Edition 1 S-Tronic with just over £4,000 worth of options, which I've probably been chosen as the best one. So you've got your tech pack, your comfort and sound pack, your panoramic roof, your electric folding wing mirrors. You've got your nice alloys on this one as well. These are the 19-inch 5-arm Rotor alloy wheels with like gloss black and a finish around the end, around the edge. And just look at these seats. And then you've got your pan roof. Really smart. I'm tempted for this one myself, but I'm a big diesel fan, so maybe it wouldn't suit me. It's got 148 brake horsepower, so not 60 times, just about 8.2 seconds. The top speed's 131 miles an hour, but it can still reach just under 60 miles to the gallon. So pretty impressive stuff. I'll get inside and see what you think. So here we go, as you can see, 34,854 miles. Get rid of that. And then you've got obviously your digital virtual cockpit. I mean, look at that, look how cool that looks. And I personally love it when you zoom right out. Come on. And I think it looks better like that. And then you've got your controls for doing all that. Volume, automatic wipers, which is currently on, I think. Oh no, that's auto. And then you've got your lights, cruise control, automatic lights, heated and unfolding wing mirrors and electric windows. And then you've got your DAB radio. You've got your media, so for your Bluetooth, AUX. You've got your Bluetooth for your telephone, for your phone calls, and your sat nav, and all your heating and your aircon, plus your heated seats. And then you've got two cup holders with this here where you can adjust, so that just comes off and it goes on. And then you've got your nice S-Tronic gearbox just here, and there we go. So guys, do not miss out on this one, as it's not going to be hanging around very long. So yeah, see you soon, bye.